Microsoft Word application window contains features that make it easy to create and edit documents. It has the ribbon, which is a feature of the Microsoft Office that makes editing a document easy and exciting. In this tutorial, you will learn the following: the Microsoft Word Backstage View, the Microsoft Word editing window, and the Microsoft Word Office ribbon. In our previous tutorial, we discussed how to open Microsoft Word. When you open Microsoft Word, Word first of all opens in the Backstage View, though it depends on the version of Microsoft Word you are using, especially from Word 2013 till date. In the Backstage View, you have three panes: the left pane, the top pane, and the low pane. Now, the left pane contains tabs like the Home, the New, and the Open. The Home tab contains virtually all the features, where you have the blank documents and some recent documents that you opened or worked on. Then the New tab contains the blank documents and some templates you can select from to work with. And the Open tab contains some of the documents you have previously worked on. To continue working with Word documents, you can select either a blank document or any of the previous documents you have worked on and continue. Let us assume that you select the blank document and your document opens for you to start editing Microsoft Word. When Microsoft Word opens, it reveals some of the features you need to create and edit documents. Let's look at some of these features. The first one we see is the one we previously called the inactive title bar. We call it an inactive title bar because it usually reveals the title of the document. Like here you see I have document 1, but now it's no longer inactive. Actually, I'm using Office 2021 because it has some buttons where you can click and perform some actions. Then we have the file, which is the file menu. The file menu usually reveals where you can create a new document, open old documents, save your file, share, export, and close the document. It also has the command tabs, which include the Home, Insert. Here we have Draw, Design, and so on and so forth. It also has the navigation pane. Okay, here the navigation pane is not showing, but here shows the navigation pane. It has the navigation pane, which makes it easy for you to access the contents of your document. It has search, where you can search for a particular word or phrase. It has the headings, which can help you to navigate, or the pages, or results, which can help you to navigate through your documents, depending on the size of the document. Although in this Microsoft Word, you can easily search for items here using this search bar on the inactive title bar. It also has the Quick Access toolbar. Quick Access toolbar makes it easy for you to bring up an icon and quickly click on the icon to perform a task. It also has the share button, which you can use to share your document with others. It also has the minimize, maximize or restore, and the close buttons. You use the minimize button to minimize your document, then the maximize button to maximize the document, and the close to close the document. It has the workspace where you perform your editing or create your work. It also has the taskbar. The taskbar reveals some of the features of the document. For example, the page number, the word count, spelling and grammar check icon, accessibility icon, which tells you whether it's accessible by people with disability, the focus icon, the read mode, and the zoom icons, where you can zoom in or zoom out. Now, some of these features are what will help you to navigate and create and as well as edit documents in Microsoft Word. Beginning from Microsoft Word 2007, Microsoft began to use a feature called Ribbon. The ribbon is a group of icons that make it easy for someone to use the Microsoft applications. It is a clear implementation of what you see is what you get. It has commands that help you to apply by simply selecting an icon from each of the tabs. Now, Ribbon makes it easy for anyone to learn how to use Microsoft applications, or as well as how to create documents using Microsoft Word. Now, ribbons are grouped according to how they affect document creation and editing. For example, we have the tabs, which include the home, the inserts, the draw, the design, the layout, the references, mailing, review, view, and help tabs. In Microsoft Word 2016, the draw tab was not available. So here we have 10 tabs, whereas in 2016 we have 9 tabs. You can also have more tabs if you include an add-in in your application. Like here I have Grammarly, which is an add-in which I included in my Office application. Now, each of the tabs have groups according to their functions. For example, we have the clipboard group. The clipboard group helps you to copy and move items from the document. Here we have what we call copy and pasting. Now we have the font group, which helps you to edit the text of the document. We have the paragraph group, which helps you to edit the paragraphs of the document. We have the styles, which helps you to style the document for easy referencing. We have the editing, which helps you to find, replace, and as well have the selection of objects within your document. Now, each of the tabs is similarly grouped. Like in the inserts, we have the pages group, the tables group, the illustrations group, the add-ins group, as many as up until the view, the help. All of them have groups depending on their functionalities. Now, working with Ribbon is very simple. For example, you can easily point at a particular icon to reveal what that icon is being used for, or the command that will be executed when the icon is clicked. Here, I pointed at this place and it tells me center your content on a page. Although you may not be able to understand the actual thing it does, but it reveals to you the exact thing that that icon is being used for. This place tells you decrease font size. This place tells you increase font size. This place tells you to apply borders. If you go to another tab, this place tells you to apply theme fonts. Now, each of the screen tip helps you to understand what the icon is being used for. This is why it is easier to easily work with ribbons in a Microsoft Office application. Now, the ribbon can be hidden in two ways. For example, you can decide to hide the ribbon to increase the workspace. To do that, you have two ways of doing that. The first one is to use the ribbon display option button. This is the ribbon display option button. When you click on the ribbon display option button, it shows you three commands. The first one says auto hide ribbon. When you select it, automatically the ribbon is hidden. Then you will have a greater workspace. Now, when you point here, it reveals to you the ribbon. Then you can select whichever item you want to work on. The moment you click on the document, the ribbon disappears. Then to reveal it back, you click on the ribbon option button and select show tabs and commands. Another way is to select it and show only the tabs. Now, when you are showing only the tabs, you need to click on a particular tab to reveal the ribbon for that tab. Now, when working here, I can choose any of the items or commands that I want to apply and click off on the document for the ribbon to disappear. Now, the second way to hide your ribbon is by using the ribbon collapse button. Now here, this is the ribbon collapse button. You can use it or you use the Ctrl F1. Now, if I click on the ribbon collapse button, the ribbon collapses, leaving only the tabs. I can actually click on the tab to reveal the ribbon. When I click on the document, the ribbon disappears. Now, when I want to return it back, I will click on the tab and click on the pin icon here to pin the ribbon. This is where we will end today's tutorial. If you have any comments, questions, you can simply comment on the comment box. Our next tutorial, we are going to discuss on how to customize the quick access toolbar. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to receive our videos the moment they are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time.